So hey guys, how you doing? I'm Erica. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add plugins to WordPress. This is a complete beginner's guide for those of you who are just starting your website and you want to know how you can add plugins to your site. So let's get the show on the road, guys. So I'm here on my WordPress dashboard, and to add plugins, all you want to do is come down under Appearance where it says Plugins and just click on that. It's going to open up a new page where you can use to add your new plugins. Now before we add the plugins, I just want to show you, some of you guys ask me a lot of times which plugins I use for my website, and there aren't many plugins that I use. I have this add to any share buttons for my social sharing and the any mobile theme switcher. These are all free plugins that I use. I don't use premium plugins. And this is the calorie counter plugin. This is for a fitness website. And the easy table plugin, it helps me to create tables easily within my blog post. And of course I have the Google AdSense, the Google Analytics dashboard. These are all important plugins that every blog or website should have, but like the easy table or the calorie counter, you don't really need that. Add to any share buttons, there are a lot of different types that you can use, but I like to use this one. And the any mobile theme switcher, you need that for your theme, that if someone uses mobile to search your site, they would be able to use it or view it with ease. So you do need that. And the JavaScript to footer, this is going to help you for speed, for load time. It's going to get the JavaScripts and like all those different banners and images that you use, they're going to load after your site loads, so it's going to increase the speed of your site. And the Jetpack for WordPress, I like to use this because it helps me get all the data, and for my website visitors and stuff like that that come on to visit my site, I can get all the data within WordPress.com. The Pinterest pin it button, of course you need that for your blog if you're going to be using Pinterest to get traffic back to your blog. The SEO friendly images is going to help you reduce the size of, or it's going to add the alt text for it's going to help you add alt text for your images so that they get found on the search engines. Now you don't really actually have to add all of these. I'm going to create a blog post about this that you guys can refer to if you want to know which plugins that you need. But the Sumo Me plugin, it's great for if you want to add, if you want to collect email addresses from your visitors, you need to add this plugin. Now all of the other ones aren't really necessary, but you need the WP smush. This is going to reduce the sizes of your images so that they aren't so large that they bring down the speed of your site when someone visits your website. And the WordPress Super Cache, this is a really great plugin. It speeds up your site, and every blog should have that. Now the Yoast plugin is my favorite. This is what helps you rank your post. This is actually down here. Your blog post, it tells you what your blog post needs to be able to rank on search engines. So now that I've showed you all of my plugins that I use on this particular, now for all my sites, each site is different. Some of these I use them because I have a fitness site, so I might need some of these because of the kinds of posts that I put out. But the ones that I use for all my sites are the Yoast plugin, the WordPress Super Cache, WordPress Smush, the Speed Booster Pack. This is going to help speed up the SEO friendly images, the Pinterest pin it button, and Google Analytics dashboard. Google AdSense doesn't really work anymore, so you don't really need that. And the Any Mobile theme switcher, along with the Add to Any share buttons. Those are necessary for any blog. I'm going to list them down under the video so you guys can refer to them if you wish. These are all free plugins. Now, to add a plugin to your site, all you got to do is come up here and click the Add New button, and it's going to take you to the plugin page. Now I'm just going to add a random plugin to show you guys how this works. Just a second until that opens up. Anyway, okay, yeah. This is your plugins page, and this is if you have a specific plugin that you would like to use, you can search for them in there. You have featured plugin, popular plugin, recommended plugins. So let's go to the recommended plugins. I've never actually used this before. So you have the WooCommerce if you have a e-commerce website, and the contact form 7, I think I'm gonna install that. So let's say we want the plugin. We're gonna just click on the install button. So it's installing. Now this one is the all-in-one SEO pack. It's like the Yoast plugin. It's the same as the Yoast plugin, but some people prefer this over the Yoast plugin. Now that you've installed the plugin, you just want to wait until it shows you the blue box that says activate. You just click on the activate. You go ahead and activate that, and once it's done, it's going to take you to a page. Okay, so here we are. Once the plugin has activated, it's going to take you here. You have now, this is where you can configure your plugin. You go to settings. Now this, I'm not going to show you how to configure a contact form. Every site should have a contact form so that you can add your short code to your contact page. I don't know if I have a contact page on this blog. Anyway, this is your short code to create a contact page. You just want to copy that code, and you want to paste it on a new page that you're going to create, and you're going to name it contact me, or so on. Anyway, just copy that code and you go ahead and you paste it in there. You can also edit your form, and you want to just see how you want it to look, and you copy that and you paste it into your. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys and showed you how you can add plugins to your site. I'm going to list the different plugins that I use, the ones that are really necessary for your blog. I'm going to list them in the description below. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you did like the video. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe, because I put out a lot of cool tutorials for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good night.